When you pin your quilt backing or your quilt top to your leader, if it's not straight, then you have a couple of things that might be going on. Either your canvas is really stretched out, which it will do over time, and you might need to replace it, or your canvas has come loose from your roller. If it isn't stretched out, then unroll your canvas all the way and see if the canvas leader has come loose from the roller. It's either taped on or some of the older ones have wood glue on it. It's very easy to reattach. Just use painter's tape and get it lined up so when you pin it on, it's nice and straight and you won't have any issues with pulling or uneven backings.